Forecast Back Forecast EUR tips for beginner traders on October 9th US. Session trade analysis and advice for trading the premium article will be available in 000009.10.2025 p.m. A premium article will be available in 000009.10.2025 p.m. Trade analysis and advice for trading the European currency. The price test of 1.1633 occurred at the moment when the MACD indicator had just begun moving downward from the zero mark, which confirmed a correct entry point for selling the euro. As a result, the pair declined toward the 1.1604 level, allowing for about 30 points of profit. Despite favorable statistics showing an increase in Germany's trade balance surplus, pressure on the euro persists. The European currency continues to be influenced by fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get